One of my all-time favorite functions in ARCHLine is the one which is able to look up the 2D representation of any kind of 3D model. Let's see how it works, shall we? There are actually two reasons why I love this function that much. It can not only find the element that I'm looking for on my 2D, but I can also make it editable right away. Let me show you an example with this patio over here. Let's say I want to extend this further, but I can't really see the representation on the 2D. So what I need to do, I have to click on the element I want to work with, call upon the local menu, and go with the show on floor plan action. When I do, two things happen at once. First of all, the correct floor plan and the correct level is going to be highlighted, and I can edit the contour right away, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to offset the edge of this patio all the way to the fence, and here we go. There are two major benefits of the show on floor plan function. On one hand, you'll be able to work on complex projects. On the other hand, this function not only selects the element, but you can also work on it and you can edit it right away. If you like the video, if you like the ideas, tips and tricks that we are doing, subscribe to our channel.